Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and now we're going to take another look at some of the cool and creative ways that you can customize the Listener directory theme. So again, here's the home page. I removed all of the categories, the featured listings, the cities, all that stuff I like to remove from the front page. So there's just one, a hero image or video, a search form, and the navigational element. So let's see how we did that really quickly. We're going to go into pages. We're going to find the unique homepage. For this template, there are, I think, 7 or 8 or maybe even 10 unique templates. Let's look at this one. This is the one I'm using. You can see I've already made, let's move away from that because I already edited that. Let's see one that's not edited. Here it is. All right, so here is the one that ships with the theme. This is the default video hero, search with featured cities, popular listings. You have all this different stuff available on the homepage, which looks great. And many of you may genuinely want all this on your homepage. I tend to prefer simplicity. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to copy this to a new draft. So I retain this. I added a duplication plugin, which I will link to in the description below. I'm going to go into classic mode. This is now I'm editing the copy I just made. I'm going to go out of the VC editor, and I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to now publish it. I'm going to rename this edited for YouTube so I have a record. I'm going to update it. And now this is just going to have that hero video, search element, and footer. All right. Again, this is just a personal aesthetic and user experience preference that I have. You may feel differently, but if you like this style minimalist landing page with just the search elements, navigational elements, and the footer with the listener theme, that's how you do it. All right.